Hey, what's going on, guys? Edward here with another video. Thank you so much for being here. Um, this time, we're going to discuss about the NFP day. Today was crazy. On Nasdaq, actually, we had a massive push, but none of the indices actually reacted as we were expecting. Or actually, after the push, there was some very weird formation or consolidation, and it was pretty much not doing anything after that. It was just volatility at that point, at that time. It wasn't that big of a movement, but it was nonetheless. Let me show you here what I shared on the group. This is the actual VIP group right now we're having here. I did share, I think this was the US 30. Let me go to, everything was pretty much looking the same. Nasdaq, US 30, and S&P 500, they were looking pretty much the same. So right there on that breakout, that's when I made the entry right there. Plus, I was actually holding another entry from 2 days ago, somewhere around here. So beautiful entry right there on the breakout of that formation. The market did actually started to push up, and it did reach this zone. Okay, it is a zone right there. The market at least did reach that zone. So look, I always tell you guys, whenever you see a formation, a flag formation like that, whenever it breaks, the price will most likely reach the previous high zone right there and then melt down. Okay, if it's not gonna be breaking that zone, pushing up, most likely is gonna, come back down very strong and maybe stop you out. So we did had a push right there when the news came out. This was at 7:30 a.m. in the morning, right here in my country. So it did push up. So look at US 30. Let's just jump in on US 30. Look at that. That was pretty much a lot of noise right there. The New York stock exchange also, when it opened at 8:30, there was nothing. It was pretty much up and down, up and down. A lot of indecision right there, so nothing to do on US 30. So basically, Nasdaq was the only one giving us the opportunity to take some pips right there. It was a nice push. Kind of, you see that weak rejection right there, maybe trying to stop people out or scaring people out right there, but making the entry somewhere around here, about 94 pips right there. Really nice. I did take profit partially and moved my stop loss to break even, but that thing stopped me out on break even. But that's fine. What I always tell you guys is try to do that. Try to, as soon as the price reaches this high, close on profits, and then move the stop loss to break even. Okay. Now, you might wonder, this was just a fake out. That's it. It was nothing else than just a fake out. If you go on a bigger time frame, we're still seeing a bullish formation, a bullish flag. This is a pullback. You see, it is still, we are inside that channel. Well, if I go on a 1 hour, it looks like that. On a 2 hours, it looks just a week. So right now, that's my channel right there. That is my pullback. So what we're doing, and I did show you that on a previous video, is the price is doing a pullback. After that massive push right there, you see pretty much like a single straight line all the way to the top. We have a pullback right now. It has not reached the 38.20 yet, which I think, yeah, maybe on a Monday when the market opens, it will reach it. I'm pretty sure it will reach that zone, and maybe we'll play around a little bit here before maybe it starts actually breaking and reaching new highs. Okay, let's hope everything will be just fine. Look at how the stocks they closed. Well, they were more red than green actually. So yeah, this is still a possibility. The price could definitely reach this zone. Remember, this is a very important 4-hour zone. It's been touched multiple times. Rejections, a lot of rejections right there, and almost likely it's going to touch it, and then we'll be looking for a buy. So it's coming. Don't get frustrated. It is coming. There is a nice setup for every indice right now. All of them are creating this flag formation. So for next week, I'm definitely expecting a nice push, a continuation to the upside. That's with Nasdaq. Let me just jump in now on US 30. So there you go. You see that formation as well right there. This one even looked good on a 15-minute. So you see that push. Again, you can do most likely the same. Let's go 1 hour. Yeah, you see that big push right there from here to there. Again, you use your Fibonacci from the low to the high. And it's very likely the price might consolidate all the way down. It might be doing this, pushing up and then coming back down, and then maybe pushing up until maybe it reaches 38.20, and then we'll start looking to buy. But just pay attention to the channel, guys. Pay attention to that flag right there that is forming. If you want to go safer, you definitely want to go safer right there. You wait for the breakout. Right now it's looking really nice, even on a 15-minute time frame. It's looking really nice. So you're patiently waiting for a breakout, a body of the candle breaking that channel, in order for you to actually get into a buy. Okay, that's how it's looking so far right now. If you want to go for an actual buy, let's see bigger time frame. Yeah, you see that trigger right there, big pin bar. That thing most likely is going to continue, as I mentioned, maybe reach this 4-hour zone before starting actually to push up. But that's fine. You know, if it's going to continue dropping, let it drop. All right. The same thing here for S&P 500. Look at that. It's already reaching a zone, 4-hour zone right there. You have the same formation. You have the pin bar. If you want to use your Fibonacci from the low to the high, still has not completed it, the full pullback right there. And most likely we're going to have it on Monday. That's how it's looking on a 1 hour. Let's try to scale in. Even 15 minutes is looking real good, actually, really good. It was some type of double bottom right here. So yeah, keep an eye on this formation, and you start looking buys as soon as it breaks. Okay, really nice formation on all indices right now. Even though we had a lot of indecision right there, it's just the market is not ready to continue pushing up. So all right, let it form that flag, beautiful flag formation, and let's see what's going to happen. German 30 also did not want it to continue pushing up. It was very slow today. NFP did not do pretty much. It didn't have much action right there. Gold, however, look at this thing. It was a complete fake out right there. Look at that push. I was able to actually catch that momentum right there, and I did close it. Actually, at that point, at that zone, I did close it. I regret it. I was regretting, like, oh man, I shouldn't have actually closed this entry. And then as soon as I said that, the thing is actually started to come back down really hard. So it's just the volatility at that point, you know, with the NFP. That was all. That was it. Simple volatility right there, just pushing, then it coming back down exactly to the same price. So that didn't mean anything. Most likely this thing might actually continue to the downside, or you can just, you know, it's still in that range. Market gold is still within that block right there. So this, you can count that as a fake out. So we're still in that consolidation. There's nothing to do there. You can be looking for buys if it breaks this zone, or maybe you can wait for the breakout of the box, even as well to the downside. There's nothing else to do there on gold. It's just consolidation right there. And that will be all. Bitcoin, let's just take a quick look to the Bitcoin. Right now, yeah, it's coming back down a little bit. We might have a pullback. This is a huge push right there. It is a huge push, even on the daily as well. So we might be having a pullback. It might reach again the 50K before it starts pushing up. I'll see if I can catch it on the pullback. Again, I missed the entire push right there. Beautiful. But anyways, that will be all for today, guys. if you want to see me posting, if you want to see all the analysis that I do every single day, you can follow me on my Telegram on the free group, or you can join if you want to join the actual VIP. You can actually you can join by actually getting either the course. At the moment, I am offering the VIP group right there. You can see it. So you have access to the VIP after you purchase the course. Okay. Now, just because I know you guys, some of you guys are asking a lot, is that I don't have a group for signals. Okay. I don't provide signals. What I provide is mentorship and my course. I don't provide signals. I do have a VIP group for those who actually get the course, and I do provide all the analysis every single day in there, as you can see right there on my Telegram, even videos or analysis, everything we do every single day. Okay, so have that in mind, guys. I am not selling signals. For those who want to join this thing just for the signals, don't do it. Okay, if you want to join this course, of course, this for the group, for the VIP, just make sure you want it for the course because you want to learn. You're not looking for signals. Alrighty, that's pretty much it, guys. So I just wanted to leave that in there. Thank you guys again for watching. Give it a big thumbs up if you like this content. It motivates me a lot to continue posting videos, more often. And also follow me on Telegram if you want to see me posting analysis every single day in there. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. Take it easy, guys.